Hey, good morning, Morpheus. How are you? I'm doing good. I'm good. Doing good, brother. Good day at creation. It's a good call, Morpheus. Just observe and learn.
Hey Melvin.
Hey, Harriet, how are you?
Hey, how you doing, man?
I'm great. Welcome.
How's your morning going?
Oh, it's actually now an evening. It's 4 p.m. here, man.
You say you up?
It's actually evening here. We are almost at 4:30 p.m.
Oh yeah. You up for
Yeah, mine is
It's
great.
like 9:19 something like that.
11 minutes to 9:30.
What happened?
You're 11 minutes away from market open.
Yeah.
All right. We are waiting.
Let's see.
The market is moving crazy today.
What's moving crazy?
The market is moving crazy.
Do they have any news today? Let me see.
No, the calendar is very clean apparently. The calendar is very clean.
They got, what is that? It's not 2014. They got, they already had one at 8:30. Cool retail sale. They got MOM. They got MOM this morning.
Yeah. Well, apparently, not really. Doesn't move market much. It's not a high impact news. So we need the red envelopes or the high impact news.
I can't hear you.
I'm saying we need a high impact news for the market to move decently. So when the calendar is clean, meaning there's not much manipulation, people are a little bit more confident to take on risk because they are a bit more comfortable. So the market can move a bit aggressively.
I think gold. Yeah, I think gold. I think that I'm looking at gold on the 1 hour time frame. That's a double bottom. It's swift, and that look like an inverted head and shoulder.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's looking. This one right here, we had a double bottom line and session, but of course we can't be taking buys right now. We already passed that. So what we need to see is out of this, we already have the first push, the second push, the third push. We need an M formation right here. So I need a candle closing bearish and hopefully below the 5 and 13 before we can take a sell. But yes, so this is technically what we anticipate would happen for that push.
Yeah, you don't have ball on the.
Yeah, so we already had this cross yesterday.
Yeah, we could have taken it probably when the session switch over.
Yeah.
Where let me show my screen like
You're still down with your flu.
Yeah, like let's see, like right here, the session switch over.
Yeah, and I think we're gonna have to review your time ribbon. Seems like there's something still missing, but we're gonna look at it.
Well, my
your time ribbon.
MT4.
The timing for Asian and London session is not really mapping out exactly as. Look at my time ribbon.
Let me see.
There's a change. You need to update that.
Where? Which one?
The time ribbon. It's basically the sessions.
Oh.
You see how they're overlapping? So we need yours to overlap exactly like that. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we have to do it over. The thing I cannot see the on my MT5, you know, when the candle timing when it's about to close, I cannot see it on my thing.
Why? It should be. Do you
I
have
can
the
see
market
it
watch?
when if I'm on my phone, I see it on my phone,
Uh-huh.
but I cannot see it. Like, you know, if there's the candle about to close in 2 minutes, I cannot see it. I don't know why.
Let me see.
Let me show my screen. But I can see it on my phone, but I can't, like when I'm in the computer, I can see it.
It should be there. As long as you have a market watch, you should be able to see the candles. Some very important element
Where?
of a MetaTrader. Share your screen. Share
Where?
your screen. Let me show you. It's right above the market watch. I can see it.
Where?
Where you're pointing right now,
here?
just below. Do you see the gray highlighted area right above the market watch?
Where? This one?
No. Move to the left, all the way to the very left. Exactly. Go above, right there, right above market watch. Do you see the timer right there next to it?
Oh.
It's right there.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah. I almost felt stupid.
Yeah, what's this one? What? How come you say that's 15-minute time frame, right?
Yeah, whichever time frame you go to, it's gonna be showing you the candle close for that particular. Well, that's the time really. It's not that it monitors the candle. It just looks at the time. It tells you if you know you're on 30 minutes, then you know how to calculate the time. You'll be able to know when the candle is closing.
Oh, yeah, this one kind of because in my phone, like it tells you exactly the time, like.
Oh yeah, now it's a bit different.
For each candle.
It's a bit different.
So if you're 1 hour, so all you do the math on this one.
Yeah, exactly. You just have to now add the few minutes that remain for that candle to close.
What time is it? That's 9. That's 16. What is that? That's 9:25. Okay, that's 9:25.
Yeah. So right now it's 9:25.
So all of that candle gonna close. All of that candle have to close. If I'm gonna. That's like what 30 minutes.
Assuming now you're on 15 minutes time frame, then you know at 30 minutes the current 15 minutes candle is going to close. So you know you only have about 4 minutes and some few seconds. Yeah.
Oh, 4 minutes for the candle. 5 minutes
for the 15 minutes. So if let's say you're on 15 minutes time frame, right? So then it means that this particular watch here or clock will be able to tell you, like let's suppose I'm on 30 minutes time frame. Okay, or actually we can just use the 15 minutes. So it's currently 16:26:39. So the 15 minutes will close in 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. You understand? And the 30 minutes will close the same time. Then the 1 hour, we know we have about 34 minutes before it can close.
Oh, okay. So the 1 hour got 30 minutes, the 15 minute got 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And then the 5 minute got 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Because it's already about to be 30. Yeah, you gotta do the calculation.
Exactly. We're gonna be selling NAS 100. We're gonna be selling this thing. We have about 3 minutes. If they hold this high, I'm sure it. Hey David, how are you? Welcome. So that right there is my stop loss. I'm selling NAS 100. Very possible for them to strike, but Stop loss at 30, 160, 173. Sell.
Is it CC sell Nasdaq 100?
Yeah, US 100 for your case.
How many like go with 1.5 or 2?
2 lots would be good because the stop loss is very squeezed. But you gotta be very fast because the market can spike. Stop loss at 30, 180.
$31.80.
Yeah. Few seconds. That was a spike. You in on that trade?
Yeah, I'm already in. My pull. My stop loss at 30.
180.
Or something. Not
Please leave your message for 20.
Now the fact that the spike didn't take out that high, it's gonna drop crazy.
yeah.
Nice drop, nice drop. Nice. Whoa. All right, that's it, that's it. Oh, nice. Wow, 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 wow. Nice catch. You just need that. Now 15 minutes closing bearish. If it does, then we're gonna have a very aggressive drop. They may actually cover yesterday's rally entirely. Where's your take profit?
Put it all the way down. I put it all the way down at that lower bottom at 859, 29,732.
All the way down. Okay. I don't know how far you can go, but I think the median would be the mayo, probably somewhere around 1:2 can go that far. At 29,950 would be a good or ideal target. You got that, Serious?
What happened?
29,950 would be an ideal target, right? Then the next target would be all the way down at 29,770 or 760.
Put it at 29,930? 950, you mean? 29,950?
Yeah, 950 would be ideal for that take profit.
Yeah, 29,950. Yeah, that'll put me at 660. Yep. I'll put it right there.
Cool. If we close this bearish, we're gonna have put stops at break even, yeah?
Alright. That's a nice trade. It looked like a nice trade. Double back, double top.
Yeah, it is a nice catch. Crazy. Giovanni is at work today.
What happened?
Giovanni is working.
Yeah, he's working. He's working. Yeah, I went to work at. I went to work at 6 yesterday. I got home at 6:30. I went to the gym already. I had a nice shower and yeah. I usually do like at least an hour. Yeah, Giovanni's at work. Giovanni, they trying to get Monday and Monday and Tuesday off until the Friday afternoon shift.
Okay.
You up? What time you usually up? You up early or just?
Sorry.
I said, what time you usually up? You up early? And then
Oh yeah, I have to wake up. If I get up, the first session is at 4 a.m. So I get up session between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. and then I'm gonna have it's basically 1.5 hours. I have to do my morning meditation, and then I'm gonna prepare for work. right? Then I'll be in the office here around 8:15. Then I'll do another session, and then after that I'll do my breakfast. And then I will focus on my day till say about 7 p.m. Then I'll do another class at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Then 9 p.m. I will do either, if the day is not busy, I will do my workouts for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. But if the day is busy, sometimes it gets a little bit uneasy for me to manage the day because I got so much on the desk to handle.
Sometimes you're trying to squeeze at a time.
Yeah.
Because I feel like the time be going quick.
And it does. It does move a little crazy, man. Hi, Patrick. I'm good. How are you? Ah, perfect. Perfect. You already have the email? Ah, man, FTM mode does it's cash, not futures. So it means that you're literally making some little amount of money. How much was the risk on that trade?
But he got a lot of the kids, and I guess they was.
Are you serious? How much was the risk on that trade?
I'm up $80 on that trade.
No, what was the risk? What amount were you risking?
Oh, $98.
Yo, you should have added more because it should have been reading $250.
Oh, I should have put at least like five
You just
lot,
need
right?
pace yourself. Just know even if you take 10 lots, but the risk is still not averaging
Oh,
at
it's not big.
250. Yeah, so you add so that you're able to what do you call it? Balance out your trades. It's more like balancing the numbers.
So add 2 more now or just now?
You can do it now, my friend. It's past, is gone.
Yeah. So a 2 lot would have put me 2 more would have put me at $200. Yeah. Should have added 2 more.
Maybe if you get another entry. If we get a W formation on USD card, then it's going to confirm the buy. But right now, I still don't have it. I don't know whether it's going to be given today. Hello? Hey, Patrick.
All right.
I need credentials for at least, that's one account or 2 accounts, 2 accounts, so that I can use one for the test, the other one for the setup. One for the testing, when you're setting up, you want to ensure the infrastructure is working, and you don't want to use the one that you're going to use for setting up the infrastructure to be the one to be traded on. Yeah, so we need to set up 2 demo accounts that will be filled with $100,000 each. Yeah, once you have that, I think we'll be set. I think I'll have one. Have you talked to Shaban? But at least now that you have the account, seems like now we are officially making some very good progress. So okay, I'm currently having a live session. Maybe I'll be done in about 1 hour. Call you back. Okay, so shukran. Right. Oh, they went back up. So that means if they do that and they reset, it's gonna be pushing higher. If I get a bullish close in 1 minute on NAS 100, this would mean that we're gonna have a 50 EMA bounce, which means we can take a buy, a long position right here. Stops goes below the wick right here. So
what,
this
the green wick?
yeah,
Or the wick, right?
this long wick that they've just thrown right now would become now the anchor for the stop loss. So I would just do this right there, right? So the trade now would start from here. Okay, so we get this as a daily formation reset, EMA 50 EMA bounce. But now there would be a possibility that they flip the book from right here, because remember this one here was a huge volume. So if we get now a bearish close, it would invalidate the long bias. So there we are. So you can take the trade long. We don't have 5513 cross, so means that now the dealer is bullish for the day. So you can take a trade with the stop loss being, so you exit the sell, and the stop loss now is at 30.050. It's at 30.060. Right?
Why you say USD card?
We are on US 100, my friend.
Oh,
my good lord.
yeah. You said okay. You said if they can't, no, because your voice keep cutting off in and out.
Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry for that. So what I'm saying is, we have a change of sentiment on NAS 100, which means the dealer has flipped the book, meaning we are bullish for the day. The further we bounced off the 50, the stop loss now would come to the bottom of this week, right? 30.060. Exactly. So then you can target 1:2, meaning they're going to push higher for the day.
All right.
And that means that we should be looking to sell gold. If gold is going to give us a good trade. No setup at all. Kicked me out a break even.
Drink water. You got football today. You need water. You still need to drink water all day. No. Kristen, I'm not going back and forth.
Harriet, you still holding the sell?
Yeah, just get out.
You should have closed and taken a long immediately.
Oh,
Are you?
let me take it.
You didn't get what I said.
Yeah, I get what you said. I thought he was waiting for that candle to close.
No, it's already closed. We are taking based on that candle that just closed. So now you've lost $74 because you were a bit slow.
So I'm gonna go with fallout or 2.
Yeah, you can take 2
I'm
fast.
gonna go with 2.
Yeah, go with 2 because that could be a big stop loss. But honestly, you really need a risk management tool. It's going to be ready later today, so I think I'll be helping you guys set it up.
Let me see. Is that 218? I'm gonna add like 0.50. Put about like 250.
That's okay.
Yeah. Five.
Put your stop loss.
Yeah, my stop loss.
Okay. Your take profit should be 1:2 minimum.
Yeah. It told my stop loss is like 250.
So you target 500.
Yeah, I target 500. Yeah.
That's okay. Oh, by the way, you can go to your portal, go to your account, sign in, and try and request for your certificate. Should be ready by now.
What for? Go to where to?
Your account at Emit and request for your certificates.
Or to the account, your website, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Where you requested?
In your personal area, you should have some sort of what do you call it?
You see my screen now? The last screen is sharing? Oh.
Yeah. Let me see.
Oh yeah, sure.
Go ahead and share it.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So you go to your account, click on accounts.
Yeah, I'm on account already.
Click on profile. Profile is right below the greetings, next to command center on the right there. All right, then you will see certificates to the very end. You have 4 options. You have just scroll up. You passed it. Scroll up again. It's right there. So
right.
Yeah, exactly. So just request.
Request.
All right. So then you wait. It's going to be sent to your email.
All right. Thank you. Graduate.
Yeah. Official. Right.
Harrogate Capital now.
Sorry?
I know I said now it's Harrogate Capital.
Yeah, exactly. They're taking their damn sweet time. Nick Valbert, I was looking at gold and NAS 100 today. I don't have any other good setup right now. So we had an entry short on NAS 100, kicked out a break even. We are taking it long because they have flipped that particular setup. So we are bullish, bouncing off the 50. If you're not if you haven't taken it, you still have an entry. The stop loss should go right below that wick at 30.050, 0.60. That should be a stop loss for a buy. what setup you trade. Create Asian, that's how you trade M&W formation of BTMM. Is anyone stuck? Anyone didn't understand what we did on NAS 100? If you have an issue, if you didn't probably get why we had to do whatever we've done, just ask your question.
Does that mean you see my screen 200?
Yeah.
If you see on the gold when the right here when 50 MA and the 200 course.
Yeah.
Does that mean it's not coming back down, or that move already gone? Like, and what's time frame in the 5-minute time frame?
That's a 5-minute time frame. You can't really do analysis on 5 minutes time frame. You only do analysis on 1 hour, but you do your observation on 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, definitely you are looking for just a few things. Number one is the setup. You want to trade the second leg of the M&W information. That's what you're looking for on 15 minutes time frame. But of course, you do your initial analysis based on the 1 hour time frame. So what we are saying, the fact that we already had 5200 cross yesterday on 15 minutes, that could mean we are looking for a peak reset. So they're gonna go up, reset that peak, then we're gonna get an information continue downward.
While they sweep right here, this.
Yeah, they can do that. They can do that. Matter of fact, because it's a Friday and probably they intend to sell off next week, because this week is going to close. Is going to close as a what? It's going to close as a doji, or what do you call it? Give me a minute. Let me try to set up something here for someone. I'll explain to you what is going to happen most likely next week. 1 4 7 Sorry guys, my chat is frozen. I'm trying to switch my accounts and I'm trying to log in, so bear with me for another 1 minute. It'll be back up. John Dungo, what do you want to know about the ADR? Take profit, it's based on what you are risking. So we say the stop loss is at 30,055. So you target at least a minimum of 1:2. So if 1:2 is going to place you at 30,200 or 30,500, you put your stop loss at a minimum of 1:2 risk to reward. That's how it works. Who is this asking? It's Mdumo. So you put your TP at your 1:2 risk to reward. It could be different because I don't know what price you are filled in. Sorry guys for that delay, it's back up. So if you are taking the long position, your stop loss should be at least 1:2 risk to reward. So if you're putting a stop loss right here, say, give me a minute. So my stop loss is 30,066. John Dungo, why do you want to sell gold before you get a setup? It's okay to look for a setup, but it's not okay to enter if there is no trade presented to you. Hitting the ADR does not necessarily mean there is a trade. Remember, your trade should only come off one very important element, the second leg of the M or W formation. Don't take a trade unless you have that. That NAS 100 trade is about to be invalidated, and if it is, then I'll not be taking any other trade on that particular asset. You do not move your stop loss, you do not do anything about it, just let it run. Let the dealer do whatever he wants to do. John, you missed the party. If this is what you're referring to, you missed the party. We took the sales on gold. When was it? I think either yesterday and the other day. Yesterday we had a sell on gold. This one right here. This is what we took. You can't take this. The other day we had a sell on gold was when? Or we traded news and we took the sells off from where? Somewhere here. If anyone remembers these trades, we took some sells from right here, high of the day. So you only trade in line with that, but only based on confirmation. So if you have a setup, something that is in line with what you're expecting, that's what you trade. Right now, there is nothing like that. Nothing that really triggers you to take a trade. If they closed bearish right here when we had this first leg and then we get a second leg, that would have been solid. Now they would have to reset it. I would want to see a first leg and a second leg before I can consider anything short. All right, so USD card is a good long. This is a pullback. It won't be sustained since we are bearish. This is a small trade that you can take profit around the 50. So you are taking that off the second leg. Stops goes right here and you buy. So that would be an about 1:2, 1:2 something. NAS 100 is invalidated as it is right now, so might be considering to cut it, but I need a close below the 50. If it bounces off the 50, then I'll still hold it.
You said we're gonna wait for Nasdaq 100 to get out.
I want a close below the 50. Current candle, which is in 30 minutes, way too far. Just hold your stop loss as long as you have it. You have your stop loss below 30.050. You don't do anything about what the dealer is doing. Don't interfere with that trade unless it is triggered out at 30.060 or something. About to kiss my stop loss on US 100. And I'm out.
Close Nasdaq 100.
It didn't kick you out. It already kicked me out.
Oh, did I kick you out? No, it didn't kick me out yet. Yeah, mine's in the bottom of the week a little bit. So the thing about to kick me out right now.
Yeah. So if we get these railroad tracks right here on gold, that is going to be a valid information. That is going to trigger a sell. So this candle needs close bearish in 10 minutes. If it doesn't, then we still wait for more. So this right here is an inverse head and shoulder on US30. That could pose a potential reversal, bounce off the 200. The only risk is they haven't moved really level 2 from right here. They're just consolidating. So if they are going to push higher, they could push and reset the peak, drop again. That's the only risk you are trading against the dealer. So if 15 minutes is going to give us a nice entry, I will risk it.
Yeah, which one? Gold?
US30. US30.
The 30. Oh, voilà.
This would be a good trade, but I can't take it now. I'm already past my risk for the day, and it's a Friday. I don't want to take anything else. So the initial setup reversal was right. If no bearish close on gold, we don't have a trade, we stay out. If by any chance I hit a stop loss on USD card, I wouldn't dare take any other trade for the day as well. If anything is to be a lesson today, you have to be prepared for the days like this. So I'm down 0.5% on the first trade. This is another 0.25% on the NAS 100 trade, and then another 0.25% on this trade running. So that would mean I would be down 0.5% overall for the two trades, because the first one I hit a break even. Now that right there is what we call a bad day for me. And Fridays are expected to be like that. Sometimes you get good setups like we had yesterday. Sometimes you get terrible market conditions. These are not the best. A day to learn. What's your take on GBPUSD? It's going up. I expected an entry, but we didn't get it because it was pushed way early. So I don't even want to look at it until next week. The only thing I wanted to risk on is USD CAD, because I wanted to see that small pullback to the 50, which is usually done when we have this kind of straight away trade. So if we get a pullback to the 50, that would be a good trade for the day, a 1:2. And if we don't get it, we wait until next week. Giovanni.
Hey, good morning, Mr. Melvin. How you doing today?
I'm all right. How are you doing?
Great.
Awesome. You at work, man? You at work today?
Yeah, I just got to the drop-off location. I'm here until 2 o'clock.
Nice. Nice. So the fact that this is a rejection right here, I wouldn't dare take a buy on this particular trade. I mean on US30. So if we had a bullish close, like it closes somewhere with some volume, which means this now would become a flip right here. But the way it closed, it's not, right? So they could be creating some rejection and then we can see another drop. So I don't think I will take that trade. They can do anything if they want for the day. It's a Friday. Let the market close. We can get better setups next week. So Vico Clips, what I would have expected is us to trade this particular setup right here, which would have been executed right somewhere around here, right? So the fact that we were not there to take it means that we missed the trade. And now technically what you can look for is a close of the day, not a reversal. There is no way they're going to make a reversal from this. So what you're going to see is we have done level 1, we've done level 2. These are intraday pushes basically, and we have done push 3. Now, we may not push past this area. We're just going to probably have a stalled move, consolidation. Maybe they start throwing the pins to the high of the day, and then we close the day. That's most likely what will happen. But the trade was right here. So do not anticipate any trade today on GBPUSD. But of course, maybe next week we can look at getting some trades on it. The best trades today on these assets were given London session, including gold. If we had taken this one right here, we would have already taken our take profit by New York session. Discipline is discipline. If you have a trade, well and good. If you don't have a trade, then you accept it and move on. You're welcome, Vico Clips. Very welcome.
This guy just pulled up Trading View right now.
Yeah. Trying to see if we can trade some stocks or something.
Oh, God. Oh, he was trying to swing stuff?
He's gonna tell us something. Harriet, what are you looking at? Are you on any trade, Harriet? Can't even hear me.
Yeah, so sorry guys, I'm on the phone. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not on the trade because now US 100 kicked me out. It hit my stop loss. Good morning, Giovanni.
Good morning, sir.
Good. Yeah, because you were saying we might be done for today. So it's Friday.
There might be a sell coming on gold. Don't know. If my USD card is going to behave well, I might consider taking the gold trade. If it doesn't, then I'll pass on it, even though it looks very good. So this is now the second leg. Now, this one right here is a road track. Then we get an evening star. This is this first leg right here. This is the second leg. Now, the only thing I could do, because the 15 minutes will be a bit late to confirm that, I'll go to 5 minutes time frame. And what I want to see is all the conditions met. I want the market to be below the 5 and 13, and we should see some sort of a flip candle. So this right here is a very good trade, right? Now the 5 minutes is already closing below the 5 and 13. Now what I want to see, because I'm not sure that it's going to happen, I want to see a flip. The dealer should push bullish and reject. We get a bearish candle close. Once we have that, I can now validate that entry. Even though anyone who wants to be a risk taker, if you feel that probably you're not as conservative as I am, then you can take a sell trade right now. It's very, very much okay. Stop loss should be above this leg, above 43.96. That should be your stop loss.
You said take gold?
I said yes, you can take gold, or you can wait for the flip like I will. Because if they could push higher, they could come all the way up. Remember, right here, let me show you something. This here is a very important area for the dealer, right? So they can push and sweep for 391 again, and then we get the flip.
Yeah, I cannot see your screen.
Why are you not seeing my screen, Ivan? Oh, Harriet, let me see this. Oh, okay. Interesting. I'm not sure it's going to pull that. Let me see. Can you see it now?
No, I can see it. It's still not showing.
Okay, give it a
Okay,
minute.
now I think nice. Yep, nice popping up. Yep.
So I'm talking of this pattern right here. So 15 minutes is about to close with the name formation, which is what we want to see. Now, what I'm saying is, because I don't want to take on too much risk, even though this right here is a confirmation, 15 minutes may be a bit late. Let me show you something here. Actually, I had said I would explain something on weekly time frame. So this is now the M formation. So we have the first leg, the second leg, right? Now, what I'm saying, because I don't have the confirmation on 15 minutes, I want 5 minutes to give me all those confluences. I don't want to gamble. So I want to see the 5 minutes giving me a flip where we have a bullish candle, shoot and fail to take out for 391, then we get a bearish close. That point right there is now a solid confirmation. Now we can take a trade, and in which case again we'll already be nearing towards the 1745, which is in 7 minutes from now. That would be now much more stronger than for us to risk it all right now. So what I'm saying is, for the current week, we might have now what you call a doji candle, because we went up and now we are back down again. So it means that the dealer, after all that, what he has done for the week, we're gonna have this candle right here. It's going to close most likely as a doji candle. A doji candle. Once it closes as a doji, it means that next week we're gonna expect now the pullback to come in before we can have now that sustained push to the upside. All right, this is now on the weekly time frame. So if we have a doji close right here, next week is most likely going to bring in that manipulation, right? Bring it all the way down maybe to the 50% because they didn't do it this week. Then we can have now the bullish volume coming from the week after or something. So this is what I'm looking for. Once this candle closes bearish, that is what I'm looking for. So this is what I wanted. A bullish close, they don't take out this. Then we have a bearish close on 5 minutes. Once we have that, we are locked in. So we can now confidently take a sell, which is now in 4 minutes. So 4 minutes from now, I will be looking on gold. On gold. So we take a sell on gold, not right now. Are you already in the trade? Harriet?
I don't think he's in the trade. He's not in.
No,
the trade.
I'm not in the trade yet.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
you
we
told
wait-
me for
we
that
wait.
candle, for that 5-minute candle to close bearish and then
Very good.
confirm the
Very
sell.
good. Very good. Very good. That's what we need. That's what we need. So when the 15 minutes candle closes, we can expect a slight pullback to this area right here, 43.86. That would be a good sell zone. Now that my USD card is behaving, I have some room to take another trade.
Go with 0.01 or 0.
Depends on, let me see what is.
Because I think we already lost to something on US 100.
Yeah. So now this is 86 to 97, it's 11. So you can go with 0.2. But your entry has to be at 43.86. 43. Put a sell limit at 43.86.15 or something.
43.86.
Yeah. Okay, so I have a sell limit right here. If the 15 minutes is going to pull back, it should trigger 43.86.15, somewhere around that. Stop loss should go about 43.96.
You guys execute a trade? Taking a trade?
Yeah. No, I'm not yet in the trade. I've just put a sell limit. A sell limit at 43.86. Right, so it closes bearish, very good. Now we can see a slight pullback to this area. Just a slight pullback, a slight pullback. see really quick. Watch it. Even if we miss that entry on 5 minutes, 15 minutes is still going to do it. It's still going to push back right here. So we have this structure, right? So we're going to have a candle coming all the way to this zone. So don't be in a rush with your trade. You can leave your order running with your stops right there. I mean, buys on what? I'm not on buys on gold. We missed the trades. We missed the entries. They were issued in London session. So we are waiting for a sell on gold.
Oh, did you enter gold, Mr. President?
I have an order. No. I was actually just talking to someone else here, asking a question. I just have a running order.
Oh, okay.
Did you put your sell limit?
No.
Okay. Then we can wait for the market come back to 43.86, 43.87 area. Then we can take a sell.
Oh, 43.86, okay.
43.86, 43.87.
Oh, 43.36. You mean inside this box, the blue box?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Levin, the box that you draw, you draw it in the 5 minutes time frame, right?
Yeah, I just did it on 5 minutes, but you can still do it on 15 minutes time frame. So what basically you're looking for is for the dealer to break the low of this green candle, the last candle that pushed higher, right? So let's say you have this candle right here. This was the last candle, bullish candle that was pushing higher. You need its low to be broken, right? You need its low to be broken. Once it's broken, you want the dealer to come back and reject going past that level. Then he flips back.
Oh, okay.
So sometimes they give it with a very long wick, right? You may notice that sometimes they give it with a very long wick on the lower side. So you can highlight it as a level or as a zone, as a box. A box is a zone. A line is just a level. Like now this 43.91 is just a level. But a zone is an area between two prices. You can see the high of the week is right here, 43.70, and the low of the week is 43.65. So that is a zone. It's an area of interest. I think I'm gonna be risking a new sell order on NAS 100, but I have to identify a very solid entry. Now we have a perfect information on 1 hour time frame, which is in line with the bearish, long-term bearish trend that we expect. It's not safe for you to enter right now because that stop loss is very huge if you're going to put it at the very high of 1 hour time frame. So let's look at this. Our initial entry on NAS 100 would have been a perfect hold. So for me to enter short on this market, I would want it to come all the way back, which is sometimes crazy. The dealer can just decide to move straight all the way down. Gold is almost back to the zone, which is a good thing. You get filled in.
So if they close this candle with a rejection, that's the perfect entry.
The 15 minutes on gold.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be explaining something later. It's more like okay, let me actually come back to gold. But actually, you guys, you can observe NAS 100 on 1 hour time frame. Maybe you're going to probably get a better entry. I must have been filled in. Yeah.
You said take it. What to take on Nasdaq 100 itself?
No, don't take a sell right now. Our sell would have been at the very top, but I don't have an entry. It's a good sell long term if you're going to be holding it long term, but it's not right now. For us to sell, it would have to come back all the way to the neckline, which is, I don't know whether it's
so we're waiting for the for gold, waiting for the rejection, or because it's at 43.87.
I'm already in the trade. This is now what I'm expecting. So if we have this candle pushing here, remember we already broke below this candle, right? This is what I was explaining out to Giovanni right here. The further we already have the break of this candle, we expect the dealer to push higher, and then we get a flip. If we get a flip, it's basically that bearish candle coming in. That's right there is now solid. So it's the same thing on the 5 minutes, but now on 15 minutes. So we need now to see a candle closing bearish from right here. They should not take out this high at 4400, 4496. 44, is it 44? What? 43. We don't want them taking out 43.97. Right? So we want them sweep here, then we get a bearish candle close. Once we have that, it's now solid. It's gonna have a run. So it's just now a matter of waiting and seeing how it's gonna play out. So this right here is a peak, okay? So we have 3 hits to the high. It's an multi-session intraday triple top. So we are trading off this peak. If they drop, right, first day or level 1, day 1 of drop, this one right here wasn't as aggressive. Always like seeing level 1 being very, very aggressive, but it's not. So now we are pulling back. We can see a reset around here. It can be in form of an information on 1 hour, but now that we have it on 15 minutes, that is all we need. So we can have another drop maybe to the 200 EMA. That's now why we are trading shorts. Oh, Giovanni, by the way, I almost forgot, man. Can you hear me? Giovanni?
Yes. Yeah.
Log into your portal and are you able to log into your portal? Are you able to access your account right now?
Yes, sure.
Look for your profile, your accounts in your dashboard. You should have right next to the command center, you should have a profile button. You click on it, it's going to take you to your dashboard, and then you click on certificates and requests for yours. Hello?
You mean on MT5?
Itabidi ungoje kidogo nikukutano. Okay. All right. Go ahead, Giovanni. You were saying? Share your screen. Let me see it.
You said it on MT5.
No. Go. I'm talking of something very different. Something very different.
Oh, is it your website?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me access it right now. Let me access it. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, do you see it, Mr. Melvin?
Not yet. You sharing?
Yeah, sure. Yep.
Ah, yeah. Now I see it.
Oh, okay, you see it now? Okay.
So click on your profile. Right at the bottom, you have you. Then you go to your account. Scroll down. Not right there. Scroll to, what do you call it? Now go back where you are. At the very bottom, at the very bottom, you have about 5 icons. You have home, markets, academy. Then at the very end,
Yeah, I see
you
it.
have click on you. Then scroll down.
Profile.
Click on profile. Then click on certificates.
See. Certificate.
Now requests. Very good. That's all you need to do.
Oh, okay. Great.
Okay. So we're going to touch 43.91, which is now the level that is very key for the 5-minute time frame. Let's see if they're gonna break it. in 2 minutes, anyone who didn't take it can take it. So if you hadn't executed your trade on the close of the current 5 minutes time frame, which is in 2 minutes from now, about 1 hour 15 seconds, I mean 1 minute 15 seconds, you can take your sell.
We should take Nasdaq.
My good lord.
Gold. take it now.
No, I said you
No,
wait for 5
wait
minutes
for the minute to close.
Oh, no, my bad, guys. I went downstairs. Sorry.
I think I'm gonna have to bring a disciplinarian around here, man. Someone should be fined for being absent-minded. Hmm?
No.
In 5 seconds, you can take the trade. 5 seconds. 3. And done. Take the trade. And it's a sell, by the way. Now that someone may be confused here. So we are taking a sell on gold right now. It's currently at 43.86. And the stop loss is at 43.96. That's about 100 pips difference. So you can take your take profit 1:3, say 200, 300 pips down.
I made a mistake.
What did you do?
I don't know if it's a mistake. I took it with the lot size 0.17.
That's okay. 0.17 is okay.
Okay.
It actually should be 0.2 what? This is 86, so 0.21.
I took my 0.26.
Yeah, something like that.
And,
The stop loss should be
my
around.
my stop loss is 281.
So leave it like that.
You can add more if you want. But
You
I don't think
add a
that's
0.05. 0.05. Be very careful. 0.05 sell. One more trade.
So add.
Yeah,
one
you
more trade. Okay.
Yeah, you add. So you'll have 0.22.
Yeah, that's
0.05. You said add.
Yeah.
Add.
Yeah. John, yes, you can sell gold. We already sold.
So what's the profit target for the both account?
For that?
If I see two, you know.
For the what?
So what's the target for both trade that I opened?
You target 1:2. As long as you're able to get, if you're risking say 250, you only need to book $500 on the trade.
Oh, okay.
Right? So you hold until you have your $500 target. So if you're able to hold longer, then you would need them to have your stops at break even, and that means you'd be risking whatever you're already making, right? So say if you're at 500 and then you notice that probably there is a possibility that the market will keep on pushing lower, so you put your stop loss to break even and then you can hold a little bit longer. But you only hold if you're certain that the move is going to be sustained. You don't just hold because probably you want to be in the market or something like that. So you have 3 minutes to the close of the 15-minute candle. If it closes bearish, that is going to be solid sell. But of course, because it's a Friday, you may expect a little bit of maneuvers here and there. So up and down a bit to see whether you're serious or committed to your trade. Okay, so now we don't have pretty much right now going on. So other than just that one trade we're gonna hold, I think that would be all for the day. I don't really want to take any other risk. We can call it a day and then we meet again on Monday, right? Anyone with a question? So you're going to hold your trade. There's only one way out. You're either gonna get a stop loss or a take profit. Any question? Any question, guys?
All right. So keep hold it, and then hold it, and then when it just break even, try to stop loss break even, and then
It's when it's not necessarily break even. It's when it's moving way past your entry, so you can move your stop loss to break even, so you can hold it to take profit. If you want to hold it longer, then you'd have to ensure that you monitor and ascertain that the market is going to continue dropping. If that's the case, then you just put your stop loss to break even, then you hold the trade, right? So now what you can expect from now is a drop, then it's going to come another push that will now cause the flip on the 15 minutes. Okay, so what you'd anticipate is the dealer to first of all push the market down, close below the 5 and 13. Then you're gonna have a bullish candle coming again, right? And now here is the most important zone that you need to mark probably on your chart. We already worked with the 15 minutes, I mean with the 5 minutes, and we're able to now see how the dealer has worked that particular zone. That's why sometimes when you put in your limit orders, you don't want the stop loss to be too close, right? So now what I want, give me a minute, let me try. I think my terminal is freezing a bit. Let me come back and I'm going to show you something. Okay, great. So this here is what matters. Once they break below this area, that is what is holding them right now on 15 minutes. They break below it, then we see a candle push back to the same zone. Okay, then we get a flip. Okay, so that's now the area that matters. We see a candle closing below, they push it all the way down somewhere around here, then come back, test it, then we have a drop. Okay, but so far so good. So now that they rejected this level right here, we can expect that push to come in anytime. Again, because it's a Friday, don't be too greedy. Sometimes the market can be generous enough to give you a very aggressive push or a very nice drop, and you may end up getting too greedy because you get excited a little bit. But you just ensure once you have enough for the day, close and go have a nice weekend, so that you don't end up putting yourself in a situation you have to think about some mistakes you did over the weekend. Okay,
Quick question.
yeah,
I'm just double checking. The stop loss is 43.96.
yes, 43.96, right above this candle, right above this candle.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
very nice, very nice. Okay, any other question? Any other question? Okay, great. You guys have a nice weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. All right.
all right. Thanks, Marvin. So have a good weekend.
All right, thank you.
Okay, take care of us all, guys.